they come. There it is. Leading the pack. The Spitfire. They're coming over again. This time they're coming diagonally across the Weston Park. Here they come. So you see the Spitfire with the clipped wings. Makes it more performance in dogfighting. That's a lovely silhouette, isn't it? This is the last pass of the Weston Park International Model Show from the Spitfire and the Hurricane. And on the right-hand side of the flight line, get your cameras out. Last chance, the Spitfire and the Hurricane, full speed, here we go. The best of English heritage have given us a flyby to finish our show at Weston Park.
Guys, Brother 303 here. Thanks for watching this Weston Park 2021 video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you've got any questions about the model, stick it in the comments box. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe. See you soon.